Oh, yeah. Got the Corvette. Got Jack's Aventador S. That is what was traded for the twin turbo Gallardo. This thing is insane. They shoot some pretty good flames with the valve exhaust from Valvetronics. Their universal system on it. Oh my lord! The welds on this are crazy. Wish you could see that. That V12. Aventador with the beige seat belts. Hopping in. Yeah, that is definitely an interior. Carbon all over it. Got the Aventador start stop. You see nothing out of this. Yeah, crazy Aventador. The S2K is fixed. That's insane. Got a couple S197s. That thing is supercharged. Ford Performance supercharger on it. JLT intake. That's supercharger on it. Yeah, that thing's gonna be quick. The Lego brick itself, the M240. I will say, I do love this car though.
If I take a loan on something,
that's so clean actually.
Has this thing ever left the house?
The blue and yellow on Jane's GT3 is insane. GT3 RS.
Gotta leave us out.
YZX 3 RS. Donut. Don't do that. What's he doing? We got the Aventador pulling up to get a shot with the GT3 RS. The tow truck. What's a tow truck for? Guys, someone might have missed a payment. Truck doing?
I think he's learning. What, you want a light show?
What's the tow truck doing? Oh, yeah. What's going on? We got the Aventador and the GT3 RS next to each other. This thing's an insane spec. You don't see blue with the yellow accents often on these cars. Crazy to see. Full carbon roof optioned out with it too.
Try to make something.
That's insane. This Corvette's insane. Making some crazy noises a little bit ago. Purple with the forged carbon wrap. Corvette. Transport. Get back to the action, the doors are already up. That's kinda clean. That color on it's sick.
It's hot. This is fast.
Pretty sick GTO. Jesus Christ.
Notice this.
It looks right. It just looks right. It looks like a good car now. That's insane. What everybody seems to be paying attention to at the meet. Just a few. Yeah, that's loud. Got a G80 M3. This thing is sick. The blue DRLs, yellow carbon canards. This thing is spec'd out perfectly. But the TRD Celica. Thing's fire. It's got the carbon roof as well. It's fully optioned for all the carbon fiber. C7 Corsair exhaust on it. That's a better sounding Corvette than the other one. The other one sounded pro-charged, but this thing, yo, that thing's fire. Oh yeah. I don't know if he's aware that there's a cop. GT3 RS heading out, along with like everybody else. Got TRD,
Elantra and wink wink, hint hint.
Hint, hint.
Hint,
No
hint,
hints.
YouTube.
No hints.
Hint YouTube.
I am not going in debt to buy an Elantra.
He's
Ed.
lying.
Let me tell you,
He's lying.
I'm not. No.
You wanted an AMG for Christ's sake.
Scared
for 50
me.
grand.
No, I'm not. I'm not doing that. It doesn't sound bad for a VQ.
Oh, it sounds good. Tastefully modified.
Ooh. Yo. I don't know if it caught him, but he almost backed right into him, and I don't know why he did that. Well, we're gonna go see if that cop ended up getting someone or what's going on over there. So, we'll go see. If not, we're just heading out for the night. So, hope you all enjoyed the video if this is where it ends. If not, well, then you get to see someone get pulled over. So, cool. See ya. Cop got someone.
Who do you pull over? Who do you pull over?
Corvette.
Corvette.
Got the Corvette.
Oh.
He's going after someone.
Oh, he's going after the SRT. Oh, dude, rest in peace. SRT's cooked. SRT is cooked.